Hey, what's up? Sam here. Today we are going to take a quick look at Redmi's newest and the first active noise cancelling earbuds, the Redmi AirDots 3 Pro. Sorry it took me several days to make this video because I went to the launch event of Oppo Reno 6. It was a splendid event, which I will bring you videos of that later. In this video, I will be talking about the Redmi AirDots 3 Pro. As always, let's check the highlights of the earphones. They come with Bluetooth 5.2, active noise cancelling, adaptive noise cancelling, fast gaming mode, dual device connection, long battery life, wireless charging, and a MIUI pop-up animation. Now let's get it unboxed. The first thing we see is the oval-shaped charging case. It's lightweight and has good feel in my hand. We'll take a close look later. Inside this small box, we see 3 extra air tips and a Type-C cable. Under the first layer is a detailed Chinese menu. No English so far, but no worries, I'll walk you through the whole thing just like I did with the Mi FlipBuds Pro. Alright, that's basically what the box is all about. Now, moving to the Redmi AirDots 3 Pro. The charging case is really simple, just like many other earbuds I've tested before. There is a physical key and an indicator on the front, a Redmi logo on the back, and a Type-C port on the bottom. Now to the AirDots 3 Pro. The design is different from the AirDots 3, which I have done a review before. You can check it out from the link on the screen. The touch panel looks like a raindrop, which is cute, isn't it? And it feels really smooth. They are actually magnetic, kind of fun to play with, and they are sturdy. As you can see, I tried to shake them out of the box, but no able. As you are checking the design of the earphones, I will just walk you through all the specs. The AirDots 3 Pro packs 9mm drivers and 3 microphones for optimal voice pickup and noise cancellation. Redmi advertises its ANC mode can decrease outside noises by 35 decibels. They also provide 35mAh batteries, which should be good for 6 hours of playback on the earphones alone. 3 hours if you are using ANC, where the charging case brings a 470mAh cell for the total 28 hours of usage. Redmi AirDots 3 Pro bring IPX4 water-repellent coating. Pairing happens over Bluetooth 5.2, which allows for simultaneous connection to 2 separate devices. Speaking of that, why not connect them to my phone? Once turned on Bluetooth, you should be able to get a pop-up if your phone is Xiaomi's. The first time to connect, you have to reset the earbuds by long holding the physical key for 2 seconds, and then it will be connected. It also supports dual devices connection. When you connected the first device, you long press the physical key for 2 seconds until you see the indicator flashing white quickly. Find the Redmi AirDots 3 Pro and click to pair. Wait for a few seconds and it will be paired. Funny thing is, I found it seems it's useless to connect 2 devices, because if you listen to music on one device, after you pause and want to play music from the second device, it won't work anyway. Not sure if it's a bug or something, or what else you can do with this kind of dual device connection. Just let me know in the comments section. Speaking of music playing, I will walk you through the whole gesture controls. All this can be done on either of the earbuds. Double tap to play or pause music or pick up phone calls. You can take off one of the earbuds to pause music. Triple tap to hang up or reject a phone call or switch to the next song. Very strange, there's no gesture to go back to the previous song. A long press on either of the earbuds to switch between ANC mode and transparent mode. There's no voice to remind you in which mode, but hey, it only has 2 modes anyway. That's all the gesture controls. I'm a little bit disappointed because they don't give you full control of everything, but maybe it's a good thing you won't remember that many anyway. I wanted to introduce every detail of what's all in the settings just like I did with the Mi FlipBuds Pro, but it just doesn't have all those features like Fit Test, Gesture Control Eraser. Xiaomi staff told me because this AirDots 3 Pro has just released, the system hasn't even finished yet. So I will just leave it here. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about that later. Now, about my user experience. First is the wearing comfort. From my personal experience, I'm not a big fan of such stainless design earbuds. I always find it's somehow very easy to slip off my ears. But that's only from my experience. It's not made for me, doesn't mean it's not for you. As for the active noise cancelling, though the FH emphasis provides up to 35 decibels of outside noises cancelling, I would say it's usable but definitely not outstanding. Even you active noise cancelling, you can still hear voices and noises from all directions. But since it's a pair of $54 earbuds, cannot complain about that so much. For sound quality, it's excellent. Very clear, transparent, and full-bodied. I like it. Last step, of course, is the game latency test. From the test, currently the latency is dramatic, totally unusable. With this kind of latency and my lousy gaming skills, I would be dead at the beginning of any games. Alright, that's my first impression of the Redmi AirDots 3 Pro. It's crazy cheap, but at the same time, I feel it's a bit unfinished. Many features still need to be optimized. The only thing I like is maybe the sound quality and the responsive touch controls. Others I would say you get what you paid for. That's the video. I hope it has helped you in some way. If you have any questions about it, please leave in the comments section. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm Sammy. I will see you in the next one.